All right, so I'm not in class to talk about all the questions you guys have. Can't really answer them. So I'm just gonna pick out some of the questions that's worth talking. So number 5. So when you have to draw a terminal side with the angle measure 415 degrees, you start from the initial side, right? Okay, and then you're gonna go counterclockwise. Since this is a positive, so you're gonna go counterclockwise. You're gonna go full circle. Okay, that's 360. And then in order to go 415, you have to know that 415 is 55 degrees more than 360. So you got to go 55 degrees more. So your answer, you're going to have your terminal side somewhere right here. Number 10. Number 10, you have to find a negative coterminal angle and then a positive one. So look at the 660. That's a big positive number. So let's look for the positive, another positive coterminal angle. So if you just look for the positive one, you can just subtract 360 and still getting another positive. So that's going to be 300. Okay, that's a positive one. If you subtract another 360 to get a negative one from 300, then you'll get negative 60 degrees. That's going to be a negative um, coterminal angle. Okay, same thing over here for number 13. So if you want to look for a positive one and you add 360, you know that's not enough. That's going to give you negative 240. Okay, that's just totally not enough. So what you gotta do is that you have to add another 360 to get positive 120 degrees. Okay, that's how you get the positive coterminal angle. And then for the negative, look at this. If you add 360, it's still a negative. So your negative coterminal angle you can use is negative 240. Okay, that's not the only answer. You can basically try to add 360 or subtract 360 to get more negative or positive coterminal angles. Okay, number 18. So number 18, you guys have to change the measure to radians. So you use 525 degrees to multiply by pi over 180. Okay, and then you're gonna have 525 pi over 180, and then you're gonna simplify that to 35 over pi over 12. Okay, I'm just skipping all the simplifying steps. Okay, so you're gonna use negative 1050 multiplied by pi over 180. Okay, for this one. So it's going to become negative. So negative 1050 pi over 180. Then you're simplifying it. It's going to be negative 35 pi over 6. Let's see if we can do a little more than that. Okay, so let's pick out some random ones. 25, 23 pi over 6. You have to change that to degrees. So you just multiply by 180 over pi. Okay, and then just cancel out the pi's. Simplify the 6 and 180. It's 30. And this is 1. So multiply across. You got 690 degrees. Okay, what about 2844 pi over 9? You just multiply by 180 over pi. Then you can just simplify all the numbers. Okay, multiply across, you got 880. Okay, so just a quick explanation going over 2 questions or 1 on every single topic. Okay, good luck.